Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to look at some configurations, some options, and some settings for Pandas. Because the last time we were looking at it, I was hoping somebody would call me out on it and say, why in the world do we have all these dots that I can't read, and you're telling me that we downloaded this file and we looked at it and I can't see anything on it. So we're just going to touch on it. But first of all, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We take one subject and we run it all the way out and we build upon it. So let's make sure we're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so we're not getting lost. So all right, let's get to it. So it's pretty nice what Pandas does for us. Let's just look at it. So we can look at this a couple of different ways, and so we're gonna look at its get option. Okay, display dot max columns IQ. Okay, so it is set at the default of 0, max column space, string length. All right, it's already set at 0, so it's going to try to fit it, and then it just doesn't. So that's how you find out what it is. And actually, let me show you the other way you can do it. And you can actually look at its options, display dot max columns. You look at it that way too. So this is how we can change it. PD dot set option display dot max columns, then string length. Now when I do df dot head, now I can see all the titles of all of these column names, and I'm actually able to read them, and then I can bring them out here, and oh wow, now it is completely readable. So this is a very handy tool, and we'll probably do a couple of them, but there are a lot more options as well. But this is a very handy control to be able to control the information you have out on the screen. And then also you have let's see, use the dot notation and then also the function to get. So there we go. We covered the attribute way and the function option. So there we go. Real quick video today, but very important, and it's a wonderful tool to have. And there's a couple more we're going to touch on, but there's a lot more out there that you can start to poke around. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.